Welcome back. What I've done in the meantime is I've got some silver spray. I have to excuse the heat, there's Baltic in here. I've made up my little spray booth and I've given the covers a dusting of silver just where I'm going to be putting the stickers. So if you remember, we just printed out our stickers. So I'm now going to transfer these from the paper and stick them on to the side casings. So I'll get prepped up for you on the tripod. See you in a second. Okay, we're back. So I had a problem with the original stickers that we made. I had a problem with them was the face peeled away from the backing adhesive. So I think because it's paper with a coating and then an adhesive on the back, it wasn't holding up. So anyway, so I went back in and I printed off some actual vinyl. I've weeded out, that's the technical term for peeling off. You could use that really and spray through, but I've peeled off the vinyl. I've left on the backing paper at the moment, and I'm going to use what's called transfer paper. It's basically like a low tack masking paper. So I'm going to stick this now over the top of these letters, peel the letters up away from the backing so that they're left stuck onto this. Then we can transfer them to the actual panels. I'll do that and we'll see what we're talking about. There you go. I got them stuck to the transfer tape now. So that now is ready to stick down on the panel. Then I'll peel the transfer tape away, leaving the sticker on the actual panel. So I'll put you on the tripod because it's going to be a two-handed operation. Alright, hope you'll be able to see with my monkey thumbs and monkey arms in the way. I've just got a bit of sponge underneath the panel just to hold him up a little bit for you to see. Now I'm using, because this panel is going to dive down on the bike, I'm using the front where it goes into the intake of the carb. That's straight, that's vertical. So I'm using that to come off at 90 degrees. So I'm going to space him roughly where I think at the moment, and then we'll step back and have a look. So 90 degrees isn't too far off. He's centered. Could go down a little bit on this side. Maybe to there. Too low. I think I'm going to come this way just a touch. Just to there. Yep, I think I'm going to go with that. Maybe up a touch on that corner. Like I say, you can play with this all day until you're happy and then finally stick down. So I'm happy with that. I'll take a distance so that I can stick my next one in the same place. And we'll call that 4 centimeters or 40 mil in from this edge to the start of the letter. So what I'll do now is I'll stick these letters down, just rubbing my finger over them. Make sure they're well stuck down. And then hopefully I'll be able to peel the backing paper, the transfer paper away, being careful. If you have any that does lift, just push it back down and rub your finger. Can you see that? I hope so. Rub your finger over. Just take time, there's no point rushing. Shops will still be open. I can see that it's starting to lift a little bit, so I'll give that a press back down and pull from the other direction. Right, so that's stuck on there. Let me lift him up so you can see. So that's one. So I'll get the other one prepped up, and then all we're going to do is we're just going to dust over these panels black. So there's one. I'll get the other one prepped up off camera, and then join me in a few minutes. Here we go. Both stick it up, ready to go. So, like I say, you could spend hours and hours and hours measuring, marking, but I'm happy. They're both 4 centimeters or 40mm in to the edge of the first letter, each one. They're both running relatively parallel, so I'm going to get ready to prep up some spray, and then I'll give you a quick video of me dusting them over with black. Get in there, get in there. Mask up. That's it. Coat one. Been 10 minutes. Coat number 2. Ten minutes. Coat number 3. Finished. There you go, people. Like you saw, the paint is only just setting, but I just really gently, carefully with a scalpel peeled each sticker off, and that then showed the silver underneath. Now they're not finished yet. I didn't mind using satin black because all I need to do now is a few coats of 2K lacquer over both panels and they're finished. But for this video, that's all I wanted you to see, was how I do the stickers and the two-tone finish. Not too shabby, I think. When I started out at the beginning of these two videos, I had no side panels for the 400 I'm working on, and now at the end of the second video we have what we can call, apart from lacquer, two finished panels, side panels made in-house, plus I've got the molds, where are they, that these were made from, so I can effectively make as many as I want. So I hope this has helped. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please click like and subscribe. Leave some messages if you'd like to see anything or watch me do anything in particular. Like, I'm not going to bother showing you lacquering because it's such a volatile process. I don't really want to mess my camera up on my phone. But basically I'm going to be using 2K 2-part lacquer mixed with a hardener, and I'll probably give them 2 or 3 coats. I'll wait for the weather to warm up a little bit first. It is a bit too Baltic at the moment. But apart from that, what do you think? Put some comments down below. Do you like them? Do you hate them? I don't care. Write something. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. There's more to come. What I'll do to end this video, I've done a lot of work in the workshop, is I'll give you a quick spin round just to see what you think. Thanks for watching, people. Peace out.